In front of me is iPhone 13 Pro, and let me show you how to add Google email, actually Gmail, to this device. So first of all, just open the settings and locate mail right here, or you can also do it from your home screen by tapping on mail icon. So here it is. It's up to you. Here you'll just have to pick Google and provide your details. And then from settings, you'll have to locate account and click on add account. And then it's working the same way. So just pick Google, tap on continue then. Obviously you need to make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi and then provide your email address. And click on next then. Now it is time to enter the password, so just let me do it off the screen. And as only your password is entered, tap on next, so this blue tab. And that's it. Now just decide to which actually account you would like to add your contacts, notes and calendars to. Is it Gmail, or for example any other mail, or for example your iOS account? Let me cancel the contacts and then let me switch it off and then click on save. And that's it. You've just added your email account. Here it is. Here you've got details. Obviously you can manage it whenever you want to, so you can change the setup in any moment. And then you can also get access to this email right here. As you can see, I've got those received emails already here. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.